Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription in 2026. Whether you're on the web, an iPhone, or an Android, the process has changed slightly with the new interface, so let's get right into it. First, you need to identify where you actually started your subscription, as this determines where you have to cancel it. If you signed up on your laptop or through your mobile browser, you must cancel on the chat.com website. Log into your account and click on your profile icon in the top right or bottom left. Navigate to Settings, then navigate to the Account tab. Look for the Manage dropdown and select Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts until you see a final confirmation that your plan will expire on its next billing date. Next, if you subscribe through the mobile app on an iPhone, you cannot cancel within the ChatGPT app itself. You must go to your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID name at the very top, and select Subscriptions. Find ChatGPT in your list of active plans, tap it, and select Cancel Subscription. Apple will show you the exact date your access ends. Keep in mind that OpenAI cannot process refunds for Apple subscriptions. You would have to request those directly through reportaproblem.apple.com. Then, for those of you on Android, you need to handle this through the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right, and select Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Subscriptions, find ChatGPT, and select Cancel Subscription. Google will ask you for a reason for leaving, pick one, and hit Confirm. Just like with Apple, simply uninstalling the app will not stop the monthly charges, so you must complete the step in the store settings. And that is it. Your auto-renewal is officially off. If this guide helped you manage your subscriptions today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and AI tutorials. See you in the next one.